Hello dear students. For the next few minutes we are going to talk about how to improve communication skills, how to improve spoken English. So this is the most buzzword around us, that how can we develop our communication skills. See, it's not easy for the people who belong to Hindi medium or any other regional medium students to get command over English speaking. But that's possible. Nothing is easy in the world. If you don't know how to swim, then swimming is impossible for you. If someone asks you to jump into water, you won't believe that person and you will definitely not follow the person's instructions. The same thing happens when we ask our students to start speaking without thinking. So what happens? The psychology. Psychology stops you to try. As in the example of swimming, the psychology says that if you jump into the water, you will drown. No matter some trainers are available there, people are there to rescue you. But first you need to train yourself. That's why we need to go step by step. The same instruction that we follow while learning swimming, we should also follow the same step while learning how to speak English. The first thing is that you need to observe the people. How we develop the curiosity of learning how to swim. When we see people that they are swimming and they are enjoying themselves, we also tend to think, yes, I should also learn how to learn swimming. Then we approach to someone who can teach you. The person can be your family members, your friend, your relative, or any professional. We go to that person and ask, request, please teach me how to swim. Then the person starts teaching you. It starts with the basic lessons. In the same manner, when you look at people, when you hear people speaking English and enjoying in their life, you also feel like you become curious to learn how to speak English. Then you go to the person, whether your friend, acquaintances, family members, any of your well-wishers or any professionals like us, and you ask those people, I want to improve my speaking skills. Then these persons help you. The best way to start speaking English is to observe people, as we observe people swimming. So when we see people speaking English around us and when they are good at communication, we also feel like reciprocating the same. So in this manner, speaking skills become a challenge, as whenever we start speaking, we make mistakes. We fumble, we get stuck, we run short of words, we have grammatical issues, and most importantly, people make mockery at you. And you can't stop people laughing when you do mistakes, because it's a human tendency. It's a human tendency. When someone makes mistake, we often laugh. We break into laughter. We can't help it. We can't stop ourselves. What happens when you see a child in your family, when a newborn child becomes 6 months old or 1 year old, they start walking. When the child starts walking, definitely he falls. And when the child falls, we start laughing. Not to make fun of the person, but we really enjoy the process. In the same manner, when someone tries to speak English, the people who are your well-wishers, the people who must not laugh at you, they can't stop it, because it's human tendency. So what you can do? You can just make up your mind. You cannot change the world, but you can change your mentality. And changing mentality is the need of hour. You have to do it. If you change your mentality, if you start laughing at yourself, then no one can laugh at you. And even if the world laughs at you, it doesn't matter. So dear friend, speaking English is very important. Learning how to speak English is also very important, because we are living in this fast-pacing world where communication skills give you an extra edge. You can do well in whatever professional you are in. If you are entrepreneur, you need to deal with so many people. You need to explain people how to associate with you. So you should be good at communication. If you are a job seeker, you have to face an interview. And in interview, you are supposed to communicate in English. Your pronunciation should be better. Your vocabulary should be nice. Your way of presenting yourself should be full of confidence. So how would you manage all those things? By getting trained. And I'm not asking you to join someone professionally. No, it's not needed. There are so many people who train themselves. You are the best trainer of yourself. So things start by your mind, in your mind. First you have to make an image. You have to make an image that I am speaking English. I would be speaking English in future. And you should dream about it. You should manifest it. If you can manifest it in your mind, then converting into a reality would be just a formality. You will definitely do it. So I would like to suggest you something. When you start, you should take baby steps. When baby starts walking, it takes very smaller steps, but we appreciate the baby's first step and we remember it throughout our lives. So dear friends, learning how to start speaking is not a difficult task. If you observe people, if you repeat their sentences, initially you should watch cartoon shows which are meant to be made for kids only. The sentences are very small and realistic, the vocabularies are easy and they are full of entertainment as well. So start watching cartoon shows. Those are made for kids. You have a remote control and you can change the language of it. These cartoon shows are available in Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu and every regional languages. So just choose English. Go with the subtitles written there. These subtitles will definitely help you. And as I told you previously, if you learn how to laugh at yourself, then world cannot laugh at you. It will give you confidence to start your communication. You should also make sure that you follow 3 steps. One is about listening. The people who are already speaking English, you should listen to them. If such kind of people are not around you, then go through social media. It's full of such people who are speaking English. There are so many podcasts, there are so many YouTube channels, there are so many radio channels as well, there are so many chat groups. You can join them or you just watch them. So other people are speaking English. If you start listening to them, your mind will start accepting the sentences of English, the vocabularies of English, the pronunciations of English and all those things. Your mind will be enriched of English. Do second thing, and that is to read loudly. As you can listen the honking of a vehicle. It is honking some 100 meters away from me, but I can hear it. So when you start reading loudly, your vocal cords, your jaw, your palate, your whole body muscles should accept the English pronunciations. And it can happen when you read loudly. No matter you are reading right, wrong, the pronunciations are vague or they are confusing or someone is not understanding them, it's a practice session. When you do practice, you tend to make mistakes. You are bound to make mistakes. But one day, surely you will overcome all these mistakes. So first thing is listen to the people who are speaking English. Second thing, read loudly. And third most important thing that you must follow is to write a diary. Every night before you go bed, don't forget to write 1 page, at least 200 to 300 words. You can write anything. You can write your daily routine, whatever you do throughout the day, write it in a diary. And make as many mistakes as you can do. Because if you make mistakes today, you will overcome those mistakes tomorrow. But if you never make mistakes, you will never learn anything. So dear friends, Speaking English is very important and learning English is very much possible. Hopefully you like this conversation, and tell me if you like more such conversation. Do a comment below. Thank you for listening to me.